Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super useful English structure, about to plus infinitive. If you're learning English or just want to improve your skills, this video, this one structure, you'll want to know. Believe me, it's simple but powerful. So let's break it down together. The structure about to plus infinitive is used to describe something that's going to happen very soon. It's perfect when you want to talk about an action that's right on the edge of happening. Let's look at the basics. About to plus the base form of the verb means an action will occur in the near future. It creates a sense of urgency or immediacy. For example, the train is about to leave. This means the train will leave very soon. We're about to start meeting. The meeting will begin shortly. See how it shows that something is just about to happen in a very near future? Now let's talk about the negative form, not about to, plus the base form of the verb. This is where things get interesting. The negative form shows a refusal or unwillingness to do something in the near future. It's a strong way to emphasize that you don't want to do something in the near future. For example, I'm not about to clean the entire house by myself. This means I refuse to do it alone in the near future. Or here's another example. She's not about to apologize for something she didn't do. It means she strongly refuses in the near future to apologize. She's not on the verge of doing that thing. All right, now let me put you in a situation. Let's imagine this. You're at the station and someone asks you, "Is the train leaving now?" You can confidently say, "The train is about to leave." Yes, of course. Or maybe your friend wants you to agree to something ridiculous. You could say, "I'm not about to agree on that. I'm not about to agree on that." So to recap, 1. About to plus the base form of the verb talks about actions happening very soon. Number 2, not about to shows strong refusal or unwillingness. That's it for today's lesson. Try using about to in your own sentences and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this video, by the way, helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.